best course about how to make sales.
Totally excited and it works.
I'm going to be showing you how to make money selling t-shirts online. Now, this is a really cool little subset of affiliate marketing that a lot of people have been making a lot of money with. Now, I've been an affiliate marketer since 2009. In the last few years, I've been making millions of dollars per year. It's been really exciting and being able with 0 employees. And I'll be showing you right here on my computer how you can be an affiliate marketer for t-shirts and have a lot of fun with it. Let's check it out. So to get started selling t-shirts online, I'm first going to go over the main places where you can find products to sell. And then I'm going to go over a few examples of advertisements that you can set up on Facebook to sell very specific t-shirts. So the sites that people are using to sell products is Gear Bubble, which allows you to access their marketplace and create products for really anything. You know, they have a whole platform. Or you could use Teespring. So Teespring is a really easy marketplace where you can create t-shirts and sell them to other people. So how Teespring works is you create a product. You'll find a t-shirt or a sweater or a sock or whatever type of product it is you want, and you'll find an image that you'll want to put on it. You can find whatever image you want on the internet, and you can create a t-shirt around or some other clothing item around that product. Then what you do is you advertise it somewhere, and I'll show you examples of advertisements, but you can advertise it somewhere and make money, okay? Collect those profits. Okay, what's great about this is Teespring handles, you know, they fulfill the orders, they fulfill the customer service, and they try to help you make sales of that product. It's a really easy way to make money, and essentially what you're doing is you're creating interesting designs that people would want to purchase. Now let's get into the specifics though. So here's an example from the blog AF Engineer where he shows 3 successful e-commerce Facebook ads that are killing it. And this is specifically for t-shirts using Teespring. So what you'll see is here's a little logo of a cartoon character, and it says, "I don't feel like being an adult today." Okay. And here's another interesting, here's a sweater that says Stark, winter is coming. Now what I'm supposing this is referring to is House Stark of Game of Thrones. Now let's check this out. Here's another example of print on demand. Okay, that's what Teespring and Gear Bubble are, is they are print on demand. Essentially you are creating interesting designs or logos that people want to purchase, and then you are marketing it. So here's Batman. Here Batman rings. So as you see, these are some pretty cool looking rings with the Batman logo on that. Now what you would do if you were advertising this is you would advertise these products you just created on Facebook. You would target fans of Batman. Pretty obvious, right? And what's great about print on demand items, it's so easy to figure out what sort of products to create and how to target people. So if I was targeting fans of Superman, I would create maybe a Superman ring. Or if I was targeting, you know, fans of Lord of the Rings, I might create a shirt that is about Lord of the Rings. The possibilities are endless, and the targeting and the ideas are very easy to come up with. Now look at this ad. This is an affiliate ad right here. Let's read it. "One last chance to grab these hot Batman rings. Free. Just pay the shipping and tell us where to send it. Get yours here. Tag a loyal Batman fan that will love these amazing items." Okay. Here's another advertisement, a sweater that was created for Game of Thrones fans. And again, it's somebody created a Facebook page, the affiliate created a Facebook page that says Game of Thrones online store. Okay, really smart here. And they created a sweater straight up targeting Game of Thrones fans. Wow, amazing. So like and share or tag a friend if you want one. Game of Thrones House Stark super warm soft hoodie. shipping free worldwide. Great targeting, great angle, great ad. And now here is a example of an ad for DP fans. Now I don't know who DP is, but I'm assuming he is this little character right here. Now I don't personally know, again, I don't know what this is about, but I'm assuming that his line, "I don't feel like being an adult today," has something to do with the cartoon character, and fans would immediately recognize both the cartoon character as well as the line that's on the sweater. So this is a great option. This is a great way to advertise because fans will say, "Oh, that's awesome. I want to have that sweater." And you can make money by being an affiliate for these print-on-demand companies. So hope that explains to you how to make money selling t-shirts. The way it's generated is you just put up a logo on them and you market them and you make money. Now, if you're looking to get more deeper into, copywriting and being able to find ad angles, you can actually go to my channel homepage and you can find a free course called The Art of Copywriting. So just subscribe to my channel and you'll get this free series of videos from some of my friends who are expert copywriters. Carlos Cruz runs an 8-figure business in affiliate marketing. In this video, the 7 biggest mistakes copywriters make. And this video is unlisted, meaning that you won't be able to find this video by searching online if you're not a subscriber. If you enjoyed this video and you got some information from this, give me a like. And if you're really interested in t-shirt marketing or affiliate marketing, let me know in the comments and I'll do more videos on this and maybe even a case study and create my own campaign just for YouTube to show off. Talk to you soon. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be updated about future videos. Talk soon.